Good morning. My name's Thomas Coffey. I'm with Blue Ridge Adventure Vehicles here in Asheville, North Carolina, and welcome to our facility. This is our shop. This is one of my demo vans. We'll get back to that. Come on in. This is one of our builds that we completed last year. It's on a Sprinter chassis, fully custom interior. Some parts and products offered by our vendors. The goal here was to be able to seat and sleep 4 people. It's one of our, not our highest end build, but it's got some definitely good equipment in here. Lower bed platform. Usually when the parts come in, we inventory everything here for a build. So clients come to us, we consult with them, figure out what products they want, help design a vehicle, figure out the lifestyle they're into, and then start the build. This is another one of our vans. This is a Sprinter 4x4, 144. This one's fully custom. Bamboo cabinets. This is one of our higher end builds. It's all 12 volt AC, Victron energy system, shower, Murphy bed. It's like a hidden shower compartment here. We set the shower curtain up here, the shower head there. You can shower inside or outside. Bed system, I custom made and designed. It's a Murphy bed. We added flares on this. This gives you 80 inches of width here in the back. So you got east to west sleeping. Kind of opens up the floor plan. So you get a lot more room in the interior. This has got WeBoost in here. 12 volt fridge. Laveo dry flush toilet. It's actually a diesel and induction cooktop. And then I did a Webasto hot water heater system. It's really concealed underneath this compartment in here. But you've got heat, you've got hot water. Everything's 12 volt and runs off the fuel in the tank. You got a folding seat here. It's by Friedman. Friedman Flip and Fold. I use this a lot in my designs and do a number of these units for clients that have kids or family that they want to travel with. But the nice thing about it is, just folds up out of the way. You know, we have tons of templates for everything. So I've got like wall templates, floor templates, ceiling templates, windows, fans, accessories, solar panels. So I'm able to, you know, template these to the different materials that we're going to use. This is our woodworking area. Okay, again, I got cutouts for, you know, outlets, 12 volt outlets, different panels. These make it real easy. A lot of people want the Webasto heater in the driver's seat of a Sprinter, but I could take the seat out, set this right in there. It tells me exactly where it needs to go. Kind of laid this out just to give people an idea if you want a, you know, custom configuration. So I have 2 solar panels here. This would be like at the back of the roof. You could do a max fan in the middle. Then I have different templates for different types of air conditioners. This is like a pneumatic X2. That's a Coleman. This is the Dometic. It's pretty standard. The cutouts are 14 by 14, so that's your cutout. But I could honestly switch it and say, hey, you want the AC in the back? You want the fan up front? And then you could put the solar panels this way. So this gives the people an idea of what it can actually look like before you cut any holes and to make sure it fits properly. I use a lot of portable type, you know, carts, tables, so I could set up different work areas for different, you know, applications. Sometimes I'm upholstering, Sometimes I'm cutting wood, sometimes I'm doing metal work. This is kind of like the metal area over here. We do lifts, suspensions, you know. This is a lot of aluminum trim for floors and walls and things like that. I mean, all these products are pretty standard equipment. I do a lot of OWL products, Fiamma awnings, Flatline Van Company. We do suspension lift kits by Van Compass and Agile Off-Road. This is an office that we designed, custom made all the cabinets, countertops. Each one of these drawers is full of different samples of materials that we can use. Different types of finishes, different countertop samples. This is for consulting with clients and gives them a place to relax and chill if they come for the day. I do jobs that, you know, only require a few hours. So this gives them opportunity to come, relax, get the projects completed, and then they can go back on the road without having to drop it off overnight. This also gives some clients a good visual on what a roof layout looks like, as we talked about earlier, you know, the fan, the air conditioner. It's a little deck panel up there. On this one back here, it's very similar to the one I laid out on the table with the air conditioner in the front, fan in the middle, solar panels in the back. Yeah, we got one more outside. It's a demo van that I've had for many years. It's got lots of accessories on it. Really built it out, you know, for me in mind and us in mind, but also just configured it with so many goodies and extra things to give people an idea of, you know, what's possible. This is an extended 170 4x4. But I wanted to be able to take all my toys with me, so I got bike racks, surfboard racks. It's got the lift kit with 33s on it, 47-gallon fuel tank, snorkel, brush guard, Fiamma awning, 12-volt air conditioner. I really like this feature. It's the Power Step by Amp Research. So it'll slide out. There's rocker LED lights, so at night you can see it illuminate. There's an outdoor table, countertop extension. These are the Schillmann seats right here. These are German seats. So I took out the factory seats and upgraded those. This is the bed layout. Water tanks on this side, it's 30-gallon. All my Victron systems underneath that bench seat. These panels just fold up out of the way. And then in the back there's a garage and a bathroom and a shower. This is the Velocirack. I like it a lot. So it's got a dampener so you can lower it. Put this on the Kuat swing away rack. So you can swing this out of the way with your bikes on the rack. This is the OWL Monster Box ladder tire carrier. Inside here, it's a little windy today. We must be zipped up here. That's the Levea dry flush. This is my shower curtain. But we take it for ski trips, mountain bike trips, motorcycle trips, beach trips. It's just really a four-season camper. Hey, thanks for stopping by. If you're ever interested, email, contact us. We're on Facebook, Instagram, and YouTube. We'd be happy to build you a nice custom van or do any parts, accessories, and installations. For more information, check out BlueRidgeAdventureVehicles.com.